Addai Nimo, Yama Kwa Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country.
Yeah, me also.
Vachana wapum to saying.
I may be a chair in Boko, Namonso.
God is good. It is well with us. Now, bisa Eddie Kaino, the New Patriotic Party. Minim say nanka o prese ubeye o kendini ama amanyukuno said ebeya ubedi omenim ama yato aba in the 2028 elections. Now, ye bisa say anye biano u file your nomination ana.
Oh, there be ebe na ochumi ne twemo. Tombekaya medekata babontin say enam enoma bi enoma 90 no sa frankatu akansi ya ibe frankatu ni January 31st 2026 no me Addai Nimo matweme ho afiri ho ana main contest bi
wada ma ubetimi akai niema 9 na wodi gina so a uhu ye ni senti no edi abemubuo ba wo wakwemu a wentimi Uncle Filey, Uncle Picky for man Filey your nomination.
Well, for reasons I'm a demayer, no, you kind the inappropriate timing, a date, you know. And she said, prayer, if it's a party, no, you call 2024 about to Ghana, Idisa in Kugua, it didn't see that or Ghana. Was seeing Yamre, my home painting, no Casatre and ye. I said, prepare your one sample you frankatu ni January Addai Nimo afefofo Addai Nimo na frankatu ni no obetwan copying be in few almost 3 years.
SOMPA
for the next general election in 2028. I say prayer. Meanwhile, no, what party constitution no, up to December 2026. Up to December 2026, you bet me a year frank to me. Into me, who say, ye prepare home, I could do Juma, a home fuse and so on, and yet a dear at the boa party non coso, and then a canco. Yet also me, no so, as far the processes and procedure, the cameras and the procedure of top down approach. Women say, party no. Your election behind your shall say free as there. Into a fair no bottom up. Into a cycle, who call your polling station elections now are your coordinators, now your constituency officers, regional officers, national officers, who ye national officers now constitute the new national council. After constituting the new national council, no. Now national council from or no policy for the conduct of the presidential prime minister also a bepa. But this time, no, instead of going that way, no, existing national council or outgoing national council, you say there be reversing, anti-clockwise, and you know clockwise, anti-clockwise. The shame was and what. It is a something in me, you be that our party anymore. Intimidate many one who said, Fa party no can call Emma a man for our mother more bua, who be yawn. Emma, one dear no emco. Some Makaya, you 2024 about to a year in Kuku. Oh, Nanti baby, Anna, the Dodonica say MPP, you need your battle anymore. Now do don't be sick. Even one man, one vote. Thinking Kayenya registration of our members in various constituencies. It is a Bosumian Bosumian 9 in Siani between the ISR exercise and one. Now each constituency a senior register MPP for our Mubetia will reduce. And no other Boama even parties can send at the constituency level, regional level, national level, crano. Party dues, members dues, a bit and a bit of various party activities. And so, Nina saying, flag bearer. Ain't because there's the top down approach a issue to conduct various elections in the party and also M1. Minya so etoso mienso eye say ase dwumadie no ye kudi e de amanipa baako into there is a seeming bias ase nipa baako na ye kudi dwuma no e de amano na wo di dwuma bia na say perception or seeming bias wo mu a that is a free fair transparent process untimi enya ewo akansi ni mu sa no a na de say a chachia say nipa baako dia any na fairness any transparency any free process no ebe e ba ne say ena minyina so etoso nan kra me de ba ye ne say sikasem so ya san dia begura mu no e ha dwen unreasonable unhealthy monetization and until now general secretary issue release or the be nomination July 29th. Sa krata nunyana mokanya general secretary can say nomination form a betono 100,000 Ghana cedis or 1 billion cedis.
Yeah.
Submit here ubetia 500,000 Ghana cedis or 5 billion.
5 billion.
Okani new boma
6 billion
or 600,000. And what's actually in the character say there shall be a development fee which shall be determined by the National Council. Into now kwakoto form no the form normally a secretary and form mama 4 million for development fees also ewo. Inti sa and penny same way so development fee penny same way presidential primary ya di bemu no
SOMPA FM
that same way the crowd party Nimo 2010 2014 na party no opposition some meaning na flag bearer election there was nothing like development fee. Mikai 2014 I made it can cool be for the first time now. Nomination form na 10,000. Filing fee na 75,000. Okani ni boma na 85,000 Ghana cedis or 850 million cedis. It's 2014 no. Yanye flag bearer and I'm saying another doing 2016. They running the 2 terms no. Yanye flag bearer election until 2023 in few minutes. 2023 no so no. Yeah, I can say na party ni wa ban no. Nomination form. Yeah, SOMPA Ghana cedis. Filing fee or submission fee. It's 300,000 Ghana cedis. Okani ni nubuma na 350,000 or 3.5 billion cedis. Secretary bia no mu bio. Nemum in few university 2025. That's a nomination form a move from 50,000 to 100,000. Submission or filing fee a move to 500,000. And we assign it to this new item called development fee of 4 million. Okani ni na buma 4.6 million Ghana cedis or 46 billion cedis. Until the shares are no man 9 the April January, top-down approach, seeming bias, any side monetization, and among family no moving como any team members, yes, so saying this side, part nature, at the after there, and Addai Nimo, you who feel men contested. And then I'm beginning as well, the chairman who are men contested, this primary say, you pay in January, and you may Addai Nimo men contested.
So yeah, bet me I can say irrespective of Esika we are wabodi edin na summing up to about 46 billion old Ghana cedis, 4.6 million new Ghana cedis. Sempono ayesika womo ejeje na abatuo no sa anka womo betwemu akwechire for the presidential primaries anka wo Addai Nimo anka you have opted say obe contesting for the flag bearership.
That is kind of so many party national council decision on the 4 million on your if you say yente ho abakosem da enna enye position na ye tomo the flag bearer position is not for sale.
So can I please interject? So you'd want to say as it stands now, no, say I said I said the flag bearership position for the new patriotic party and no is up for sale.
Well, the American business say a kabima min kabina, yeah. Kabima min kabina, so young point position, young song. And when she say you chat a booby at the apple, what say, it was set a mouthful chair. And you can say a year a bois, a bay barrier, a basic be no more pine. It be no more a beer warm war. In dear warm war, a pepeyo, warm war, penny near issue a woman. Then so now ye chat a CBDS warm a pine. And you can say a banisa. Even national elections are your the national elections, presidential candidates for F4 fire. Say na electoral commission a charge. Yes, the electoral commission is funded by the taxpayers' money. And any kind of charge, but almost fear on the charge here will be any say a reasonable. And when it's a party no any abemu nearby position. Now ye per se a beer ye fakran be so how to organize the whole contest nationwide. And you see a year reasonable and healthy. Now also we made 4 million in addition to 600,000 for forms and file submission fee. 4.6. O campaign I will call in the 276 constituencies no
SOMPA FM.
You know, and no meka where they would to the national party. And until the Americans is say a new position a year for sale to be at me now could know sika baby. Now betting near the chia, say sika papa, say sika fin. That's how the benya position now. Let's just say also so the opposite obey now. And yes,
so you can say the ekoso ewa manyuku the current leadership of the party I say omudi protect nipa ba pay interest to become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party.
Well, me normal nine me gina so no de ohwemua sa so na ekere na ye ni kwan say ye ne sa e wo say ye ma rules no guidelines na ye setting no guidelines emu eda ho a ensi kwan enye osi akwan edima obia. Look, your national council sad decisions we munyana if national council. National council sa bejoku no so ya bejoku a e wo say decision bi fi hon mo ba e you inipa e ko hon mo no e ye wo mu a party structure ni na omu du a omu kosa abejoku no mo. All the 16 regional chairmen at National Council with their secretaries at National Council. National executives or national officers are members of National Council. But for former president, are members of the National Council. In Jaya Bejokua, you could see Junaye, it will be more party in Shayemua. I will see a barbontia a crotching. Bibiano, the Mudawa will be to me in Vienna. Boberiano, na Apaku Yisun Chidia, and the Ama Party Manubia. Let us say, and pay. So, no. In the National Council, there were MPs, members of Parliament, caucus, or more number, almost called National Council. In all this segment of members of the party, and yet, Obia Okobino. Ekita di bra emu duro inti ye
SOMPA FM
I will see who say ye nyina so no beba no bibia mu eda ho enti no mesre no mana ekoso no de I will say enke ya sabe enye se wo ko contest keke obia wona ni so ade hu na wo de ko contest no na o kai bi no mi say person be flag bearer and presidential candidate, yeah, you should be resourceful. and be able to raise finance.
Mm-hmm.
But there is reasonableness in the also the tuja. So only be tuja, then you're unreasonable. And yet, in Chinese canon qua, a norma, me and some macaca hono, and the prehuno a equal disagreement, the top down approach, also so I use to know M1. The baby, you know, we yen I be a moonson so. The possible. The 2028, you call. Saturday, Uncle Ye Arma NPP. So 2029, best started reorganization. Yes, but here you could do you better conditions nana, you better shift to go post nana. And walk quiet a better so. And you just said you to her, you will say, you're calling into the future no. And yes, sir, a bebua party no, a can't call. And now, a better quality, your queer Nika is the assassin some way. But democracy is so there, and you pick and choose. Make away. A mixture, a blend. The decision be taken. It should be a decision that standing the test of time.
Wow. Before I any baby, you know, me who say, I say 4 million Ghana cedis development fees in the idea. More rempa because I've heard people speak against it. I don't know one Kasano specifically, you know, or how I wouldn't what efforts development fees, you know,